From a little youth, me hustle youth. My mother never have to worry about me. I'm tell feel like we a cry baby, our mother's boy. We about the hustle it, man. Yeah, man, we no ball to mother for nothing youth. None joke. Me know every you want rich. Money no fly girl.
So, yes, you know, guys, how you build your silencer for your marble gun. Bear in mind, this is built just with marble gun or air rifle. No different. No more, no less. Just air rifle. So, you don't know. See it, yeah. One clean off, guys. You see me? You see it, right? So, see it here. You see me? 2-inch. Middle one a 3-inch, guys. You see me? Last one a 3.5. You see me? So middle one, this stop right as so 2-inch right here. You see me? So the first one stop right as, but it's right as a 2-inch. Next one a 3. You see me? Follow 2.5. Tape the up on the next side. You see me, guys? But a same way. You see me, guys? Active. You see me? So for your marble gun, so you build silencer. As I say, 2-inch, 3. And you have to bore the hole them bigger, you know, the middle one. And you put less cotton in the middle one. You see me? So you put the back one kind of tight. You see me? 2-inch. You pack it kind of tight with the cotton. Or you can use your thick towel. You see me? One out of the two. Or you use Scotch Brite. You see me, guys? One out of the 3. Big thick towel, your cotton, or your so as I say, guys, you can use your Scotch Brite, your thick towel. You can even use steel. You see me? Anything in there to cut the sound. But the best option are the thick towel or the Scotch Brite. You see me? Best option. You see me? So the middle, as me I tell you, say middle don't full up at too much. You don't full up at too much cotton or too much. No matter what you are gonna use, the rag, the cotton, or the steel, the middle one feel have whole heap of space. So you put less or whatever you use. So the back 2-inch for you connect on the air rifle. You see me? I'll show you. See me, guys? So 2-inch in. So it tap right here. So you can come off as me like. So you look, you see me? So I don't know. So you don't know, guys. 1, 2, 3, 3 divider. You see me? So everywhere you see them line, yeah, divider them. So each divide from the one. You see me? And this little mark is your ear hole. So that's why they have to divide. So if they don't divide it, you're not get the same power, the same result. You see me? So you don't know. If you don't have a problem, if you don't have a question you want to ask, guys, feel free to comment and ask. You see me? So this is how you build it. So this is how you build it if you want it like quieter. You see me, guys? Same 2-inch, same 2-inch, 3-inch. You see me? 2.5. You see me, guys? And this one 1.5 inch and a half. You see me, guys? But you bore up this one is smaller. You see me? So you use hacksaw cut out this the back one. You go put less. No really less. You're not gonna put nothing in the back here, so you see me? Just the hacksaw you go cut up. So this one I go leave empty for higher power. Your rifle. You see me? Marble gun. So hacksaw you bore up. You use a cotton or a steel rope. Make sure you divide them. That's a key step, guys. If they not divide, you go load same way. You see me? With that said, I hit that.